Well, this little Subaru is actually running pretty good. It's a 2010 Forester base model. I think I need new struts. Brakes seem to be okay. Right now I got this thing ticking up to over 28 miles to the gallon. On the way to Green Bay, I was at 65 miles an hour, and it had popped up to 27.3 miles per gallon. Now I got to drop down to 61, 2,500 RPMs, and look at that, 28.5. That's pretty good. So what we have is a 5-speed manual. So we have this strange noise in the Subaru when I decelerate. It's not working right now. Let's see. It's not as loud as it's been, so I don't know. It also happens between shifting. Those are my skis. It's kind of going away. So I stopped at the shop here to check out, and look at this thing just clicked over to 29.4. That's pretty darn good for this car, I think. So it sounds pretty good. I left my sunglasses in there. That's pretty funny. So we do have some oil where the head gasket is here on the driver's side of the motor, but it seems to be kind of localized just here. So maybe as he was filling it, put oil in, and he dripped some oil on through there. I'm going to wash it up and see what happens. Here he said he hit some sort of small animal right here, and that shroud there's hanging. I gotta put that together. The tires are in really good shape. There's a dent back here. This is the big dent right there. And then he kind of scraped something right here. That's not a big deal at all. And then there's a nick out of the mirror. And probably when he scraped that, there's a scrape mark up here too, a little one. Oh, right here. Right there. So, commensurate with the price, I sort of figure that this is a base model. If nothing was wrong with it, it was perfect condition at 170,000 miles, which wouldn't be perfect, but good condition. This would probably be a $5,000 to $6,000 vehicle. So getting it for $2,800, that gives me some wiggle room to fix some stuff if it goes wrong. But right now we're just going to go with it, see what happens. Here's the graphic indicating where the lever is to pop the hood, and right here is the lever right behind it. That's all you got to do. And here there's a lever inside of here. Let that adjust. I think that's it right there. Nope. Right here, here it is. You just pull that over and the hood will open. Okay. It's been about 20 minutes, so there wasn't any pressure in it. So we're good on our head gaskets. Alright.